Here's how you can go ahead and install some more clock faces for your Amazfit smartwatch. And basically, you'll need to have the app installed in order to get access to more clock faces or watch faces for your Amazfit smartwatch. So make sure you are connected to that device and also that it's synced and connected with the app itself. The name of the app, by the way, is going to be called this one here. So you might want to make sure you get that installed and have the latest update, or at least the second to last update, okay? And you wanna make sure it's fully synced and all ready to go. In some cases, just be sure that your current watch is on so that you can see all the information. So once you have everything set up and ready to go, let's just say you go into the Zipp app here, and of course it's gonna load up for you. It's gonna show you all of this stuff here. You wanna go to the part that says device at the bottom right here. As you tap that, you'll see this section here. And of course you can choose to update it to get the latest update, as I need to do that. But you got the watch faces here. You also got the app store here, which you can choose from. But if you go here, you're not ready to do all of that update. So for starters, you can come here and browse through all of these here that are pre-installed with the app itself. So you just go ahead and find yourself some more here. Some of them are free, some are not. And of course, the ones that you'll have to pay for, you'll see that you'll need to pay for it, okay? So with all that said and done now, once you find your selection here, you can go down this route here if you want, or something more vibrant. Okay, so let's just say I go here and maybe I find that I like this one here, right? This one's pretty awesome, it's free. So I'll go here and I'm gonna go ahead and sync this one to the watch. So I'll press sync now, you'll wait for it to sync. Okay, and the cool thing about this is once you do this for the first time, even though at the moment you're not connected to your app itself, this will be saved onto your watch itself. So now you'll have this along with the others that you might have pre-installed before. Okay, long press it, and then you can just navigate and choose the one that you want. Okay, but of course, if you want to stick with the recent one, this is it right here. Like and sub.